In LaunchMyStore, you can sell 3 ways: a physical product, a digital one, or a subscription. For a physical product, start with a clear product title. I can generate one for you. Add a category and a description. Add your photos and videos and drag them to reorder. Set your price and a discounted price. The percent off is calculated for you. Track your stock with quantity and an SKU. Add the weight for shipping and variants for size or color. Organize your product. Add tags, assign a warehouse, and set up an upsell. And pick a theme template to control how your product page looks. Selling something digital? Switch to digital product. Upload file delivers a file instantly. Just paste its URL. Dynamic URL calls your own endpoint and delivers whatever it returns. Serials or code hands out unique keys from your stock, split by a delimiter. Or choose service. For bookings and consultations, just describe it. For recurring revenue, open subscriptions. Set a trial period, then the billing period and frequency. Attach a selling plan group for recurring billing. Manage them under Products, Selling Plans. When you're done, hit Save and Publish, and your product is live.